IB students get the questions with the command terms to what extent or discuss. In those kind of command term questions, you need to write the supporting studies and something that you can give as a counter argument. So it is very important for the IB psychology students to know something as a counter argument or a counter study which is against the supporting study. So you can write in your to what extent questions and in your discuss command term questions. So I've already given you 2 supporting studies which is going to help you. Now I'm going to give you 1 counter argument study. Criticism of flashbulb memory theory. There is one counter argument that we are going to do by Neisser 1982. Neisser 1982 has questioned the idea of flashbulb memories. People do not always know that an event is important until later. So it is unclear how flashbulb memories could be created at the moment of the event. He suggests that the memories are so vivid because the event itself is rehearsed and reconsidered after the event. According to Neisser, what is a flashbulb memory? What is called a flashbulb memory may simply be a well-rehearsed story. The flashbulb memories are governed by a storytelling schema following a specific structure such as place, activity, informant, and effect. On January 1986, the 7 astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Challenger were killed in a tragic accident. It was a shocking experience for those who watched the shuttle launch in person or on television. Neisser and Harsh 1992 investigated students' memory accuracy of the incident 24 hours after the accident, and then again 2.5 years later. When filling out the second questionnaire, which asked questions like, where were you when you heard about the Challenger disaster? Were you with? What were you doing? The participants were also asked how confident they were of these memories. The participants were very confident that their memories were correct, but the researchers found that 40% of the participants had distorted memories in the final reports they made. Possibly, post-event information had influenced their memories. The researchers concluded that emotional intensity was associated with greater memory confidence, but not with accuracy. Basically, the counter argument states that how can a person actually have a flashbulb memory or have a vivid snapshot of the event, because when we are going through it, that time we don't realize how important it is going to be later on. So it is not possible for us to create this kind of flashbulb memory. So according to Neisser, it is not that we create a flashbulb memory, but it is mainly the rehearsal that we do it again and again, which makes us recall or makes our memory very strong for that particular event. For example, I gave you an example of the accident. Now this car accident which I had gone through last year, maybe there is according to Neisser, according to the counter argument, there is no such thing as flashbulb memory. Only because I narrated the whole accident story to my friends, to my relatives, to my parents, to my neighbors, and so on. So many times I narrated this to number of people and also kept on replaying it again and again inside my mind. So due to which what happened that because of doing a lot of rehearsals, that memory is now strongly stored in my brain. So that strong memory storage in my brain is actually leading making the result is that I'm able to recall it much better and able to remember it much better. And maybe it is not just a flashbulb memory. Please do remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel to know everything about psychology on this channel.